Good night, everybody. Good night, everybody. Good night, everybody. I don't know which part to start. I don't know which part to start. I'm not all. But alright. I know which part to start. Let me start off by saying everything I'm gonna say tonight, I'm gonna try my best. No, I'm not drink no. I just a shake. I shake bad. You see me? Everything what I'm gonna say tonight and everything what you say on the internet, just remember say everybody a human being and all of we are human being. Alright. Everybody is a victim. Every single body is a victim in that story, because this is a movie. Everybody is a victim right now. I'm start off first about me entering Team Spice, because something was addressed that everybody fight out a particular person because they get me pan Team Spice. Alright. Rebel, Danger, TC and Pookie was on Team Spice. It was the last step before me. They were on Team Spice. Me used to go out every night because me and Rebel was on a team with Happy Feet before, and it never went well, so we did end up break and whatever. Rebel that said she gets an opportunity with Spice and whatever, and she end up left. Happy Feet end up left. I was the only one still in the group. Remember, the person that was the boss left the group with me inside of the group, and I was still in the group. Anyways, when we go to boom now, Pookie, Rebel, TC, Danger, everybody, them depend the team, and we used to go to them at night time. I wasn't a part of Team Spice, but I was on the road every night. If I video them, I video them. If I carry nothing for them, I carry nothing for them. Every night, every single night, every night. One night no miss me, none night no miss me, and I wasn't a part of a team. But I was always dancing with them. If them have them routine, I learn the routine, because I ever there on them. I leave Papi in, I'm gonna live with Rebel. That was Big Yard Entertainment, 69 Rosalie. Because where I was, you couldn't left from there to come a road. So the opportunity was for the wish for me there. Anyways, Pookie end up leave the team. Me not know what happened. And it leave 3 dancers. Remember, it was 4 dancers. And it left 3 dancers. And Spice wanted another dancer. So they were still searching and whatever and blah blah blah. TC that tell me say Spice I go carry Rebel and Danger. Them supposed to go up on a tour, and she wants somebody for the street promotion, see me with her out here in Jamaica. So them whatever. Rebel cuss me and say, I not even have nothing up on my page. When Spice go up on my page, I not have nothing for Team Spice. Blah, blah, blah. I not dance to the woman song, I just did it. Whatever. Spice text me now and say, she asked me if me and Danger good. I'm going to say, yeah. I say, me not good. Me and everybody was good. Me and everybody good. Everybody, me not have no issue with nobody. If me not like you, me just not like you. But you can write that this me is not friend, and nobody don't know that. Cause you're not in my brain and in my space. None at all. Zine? Alright then. We're going to boom now, and whatever happen. When Danger come off of the team, Rebel call me and scream. TC, everybody scream and say, yeah, rare. You get picked now for come on the team, whatever. Cause Spice was searching for a dancer It was 2 of them. And as it happened, and nobody no fight out nobody, nor nothing. The same incident that you heard everybody talk about the baby father and whatever, that happened, and she ended up come off of the team. And then surfing and going for other dancers. And Rebel say me, TC say me, them say pretty car when our clothes, pretty car whatever, cause me and them was this and still is this. Zine, when we go to Boom Now Spice time, one day call and ask for my size, my shoes size. And I say 8. So when she say 8, Rebel say, you get your shoes a boy, Ray, I gotta go up on the team, blah blah blah. And you know I'm happy. Come here, I go dance to Spice now. Queen of dancehall, nobody can chat to me. A long time I want, it's a long time I want dance to Spice. I want dance to Spice now. Ray, I get my opportunity. Start dance to Spice now, everything. Me never go in at the group a question how much me I get for my pay. My first show I do, TC, Rebel, get them money. So, and it was in a December when we perform a half a tree. The boom thing. And them get their money so and get them get them look at December, look at money and them scream and whatever. And Spice turned to me and said, pretty nobody watch for them money, nobody worry, so whatever. I say no man, no, none of that, no. Anyways, me not watch money problem. Nothing wasn't an issue for we. Nothing. We are work for Spice our boss. If Spice and the next artist in the altercation, and we and them in the altercation too. We not dance for the next artist. We skin up our face. We bend up our face. If a man artist go like say them want chat out too tough, but we boss, we skin up our face. So where Richie feelings that talk about loyal. Richie remember me company team last year, no know shit about me. You know nada about me, Richie. So you can't talk about who I carry name to Spice and who did I do this and whatever. Richie, you don't know one thing about me. Because remember you chat the whole of the dancehall girl them. You talk everybody. Every one of them your class and bring them down to the nitty gritty. I remember enough things that you highlight to and tell we. You tell we. So what you say, Richie? What you say? Me go there. When me never depend Team Spice. Remember Big Yard was Big Yard. Zine, Big Yard was Big Yard. I remember when everybody group up in the living room and them chat and them bust it up. Everybody did that talk about them pay and them not like this and whatever. Which workplace you go in where you work at them not chat your boss? And what kind of chatting? Which workplace you go where one of the workers them not say me nah lie though, boss could have do better or nah lie though. Because them feel like them not have the rights to talk to them boss direct. Some people have a fear. Some people just say, I can't go talk to my boss, I'm going to lose my job. And you have your friend where you work with, and your co-worker that you work with, and you feel like you can't talk to your co-worker. You go talk, and it's only natural. And which workplace you go where your boss have all a friend, when you not talk about your friend, when you not talk about the worker them, you know, so the one Jerome, him, I go like, you know, how she plays, but wait him now, get no money this week. Which workplace? Which workplace where Richie feelings are talk about? Where you talk about broadback TV man, where you talk about loyalty and who fight out who and who complain. None of the girls them never carry no news from the girl. None of them never carry no news. But no. What you mean? What you mean? Alright. We go so boom. Enough time Gracie have show. Enough time she remember my company team last. Enough time Gracie have show. And she said, me no want to no come call the money, same thing with TC, whatever. Me no want to no say, and whatever. Zine. And you know the whole of we, in our group, I would text one and say, girls, make her go, because by that things the woman always feel for sure. Don't make she meds will say, if she not have money one time, we not go, because we love we work, because we love we boss. Right, true. And that never needed for question. None at all. Zine, what me don't like, is if a person say, to somebody say, you talk to your own co-worker and I say, You know, say, boss, you can raise the piano to 3 grand, bad as bad. We're dedicated and whatever. Why when you attack it, you know, say, see me, you just lower the blood clot convo. Lower the convo, then if you can't talk it like how the person talk it, lower it. If you go put it so and twist it so and talk it the way you're talking, to make it be a mix up. People, this is the reason. This is the reason. Zin, you see when the voice note send over pink wall. This is the problem that my friends always have with me. The voice note sent over pink wall was TC addressing me. She da tell me something. Me know if she right, me know if she wrong. But the fact is, me love my friend them. And me not go on going at the middle to say, Rebel, you know say, TC, you know say, suppose all me bring it wrong. Suppose all me bring it wrong. Just tell me now, isn't it mix up? Some say if you no big enough, you just tell no one another one, no one telling no one another. That was the voice note. The voice note was nobody I diss up nobody and I tell nobody, and it was not me send out the voice note. None of time I never send out no voice note. Anyways, clear the ear about that. It's all about chat. Gracie, Spice. You know we love you. You not have to ask. We can't put we hand in our Bible. Gracie, you know we love you. Remember, we never want to come live because this is where we da run from. This is where we da run from. I'm on TC phone, I'm on Polyphone, I'm say, nah go live. Don't go live. Leave it alone. Leave it. Do not go live. Do not go live. Do not. We not do nothing wrong. We do not do anything wrong. We not do nothing wrong. You see me? Alright then, we go sub oops now. We're in the group. If something happen outside of the group, Spice will text in the group and say, TC, woman can never tell me say this whatever. We not hear nothing. We not get none of the message from the woman. Nothing at all. She not text. I would there. Remember say all when things are texting in the group. Me ever late. Sometimes I go in a group and see 99 message. 100 message. And when I go in at TC and Rebel will say, you ever late, do you never see nothing yet. And Spice will say, you to sleep out the whole and the life, blah. Me ever late with everything at all. Can me ever do something, me ever dip on the road, I do something. Alright then, blacks. We see the man come on the internet. And him talk and him bring down. Remember say before the internet him come to it. Him come down a Rosalie to me and Rebel for promotion. Come for promotion. Him pay Rebel. And him pay me. Him pay the two away for promotion. Zine. And him say him have a money for TC too. Alright. What we didn't know, him a tell we say when him see in the future for me, when him see in the future for Rebel, him a talk and him say he might tell me about man and whatever, ask the cow fat. He talk and him pay away. Him gone about this is. He make one speech and say there is nothing where we don't know but him our boss. Him say I will whole heap of things you don't know. Whole heap of things. I'm say Rebel, he had the boss a while ago. We don't say nothing. We leave it alone. Remember we hear things, and everything you hear you have to put in your brain and take it to heart and feel like you have to follow it up. So if me hear say, you said this about Spice and you said this, remember some we know for people ever bring down the woman and we say, Lord the blood clot woman alone, whatever. So if we hear something, we now take it to heart, we say, alright then, bumbo clot, they must say this about Spice, bumbo clot, they must say this, whatever. We now take it to heart, we leave it alone. Alright then, they must chat say, oh, you have such 3 talented dancers and it come from north, south, east and west. 3 talented dancers. Them sing. Them act. Them do drama. Remember the people, them attack. People attack, people are texting out there and people are the most. Sing. Them act. Them dance. What we not do? We do every single thing. And the people them talk. Them now have the US visa, them fly everywhere in the world except the US. We understand. We understand what we and Spice talk about with the US, whatever. We know that, so we don't need to come on the internet, come explain, say, no, she said this, whatever. When people say it too enough time, we feel like we are thinking ourselves, we are human being, it's only natural. It's natural for a human being, think. It's natural for a human being, think. Or you have to get up and go like you're perfect, and you think things, and you talk things. Eh? Or you have to get up and go like say you not talk things, you not do things and whatever. Anyways, we go so boom now. And we know that. When I say nothing, people tell you this, people tell you that, but we boss, whatever. When I look now, I see Spice has left the group. But what I want to understand is this. I was watching your live when you said in your live, sometimes people come to you, come tell you things, but when you look in yourself and really people tell them and them directly want to say it out of their mouth. Listen me again. I heard one comment that you said in your live that when time people are chat and you open your ears because you have to listen because more while it's not. The people them say it or the person where I it out of their mouth and them I say it directly to you. So all you have to hear say you dance to them and chat you. And you just left the group. You not say nothing to it. You not say nothing to it as the boss member. You are we. And you are we now. And Gracie, you know when you talk about loyalty. You know our loyalty. And we look out for you genuinely. So when Daddy Preacher Man I come on the internet and I say him tell you say rebel loyal, TC loyal and pretty loyal, but him just tell you say we for stay underneath one energy, no US visa. We hear the man we see and address him, so we say oh we not address him either. We not say nothing about the situation because you not text nothing about the situation or no. We see my chat, we see that continue. When I say no, Spice nah say no. Alright. We no need for say nothing either then our boss and she not follow him up. What we are follow him up for? Remember say we come meet Gracie and Auntie Boss. Me come meet TC and Rebel Pan Team Spice. Me come meet everybody Pan Team Spice. That woman is a very good woman. Alright, Spice say, oh, I want to get Kenya the visa. Alright, my first visa that I got in my book. My first visa. Nobody has ever said that Gracie was ungrateful. Remember on the see with suitcase and on the see we fly all over. So I couldn't want next artist bring we half a Spice. Half a Spice bring we everywhere. Majority of them. My first visa in my book was my Canadian visa. My first visa in my book is my Canadian visa, and it was for Sticky Wine. It was a Sticky Wine tour. My first visa, it was a Sticky Wine. I'm gonna go perform, I'm gonna come back, and my second flight was with Spice. Spice, you're a very good woman. Very good woman. But you make a question with loyalty if you really love her for real. Because altercation where you have with past dancers and we are saying no, dancers ever fuck up the woman and whatever, and we say alright then, we not gonna be the one to do that with her. We not gonna be the one to fuck her up. We not gonna be the one to do that. So when RT come talk and then Richie Feelings come talk, and then you're gonna need to comment Gracie and I'm gonna say them ungrateful for real. What we ungrateful with? We never thought say you never give you a visa yet. We never thought say you never carry Ghana foreign yet. We never thought say you never pay we yet. We never thought say you never buy with costume and clothes to go road yet. We never ever talk about that yet. We never ever say that. So me not understand he might go talk about loyalty and where we say we never ever class say yet like that. Never ever. And as a boss you just get up and you just leave the group. You don't text in the group and say TC, pretty, rebel, rare attack and whatever. Because if you hear something, you have to tell we. And we feel away in ourselves when you say enough things, RT talk, and you don't believe him. Bowie, and you don't believe him, and you leave it alone. So, oh, we are going to feel in ourselves now, as a dancer, for know, say this man attack things both way. Oh, we are going to feel as a dancer, and you not tell we. Oh, we are going to feel for this man here, for you say it to we. You tell we something already where him say, I will listen. I will say, oh, alright then, we'll see what him do. I will go to booms, I will love whatever we did I do for this man here. So, oh, you have to say we're not loyal, Richie. Oh, you have to talk so we're not loyal. Richie feelings, where you really I say. Where you really I say. Me not understand. Me not understand. People have to come on the life, come clear the air with themselves and whatever. Because nobody never do know so bad that this is have to escalate. So bad. Richie, you come on the life to come talk about whatever happened with Gracie and the man. You come to talk about that and you reach on the dancer them. You come talk about the dancer them. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Oh, you come to adjust a situation and you skip the situation and you just jump and we. For what we ever do, what we ever do, what we ever do. Tell me now, what we ever do, where we so friggin' bad. Richie feelings you do that. What we ever do, what we do to your big man. What we do to you, what we ever do, what we ever sit down with you and talk, say. Ah, he is a man, he is not a female. Now tell me now, you notice we say we not come on a live, we not come on a media, we not do nothing at all because our life is our life. And then Richie go live and Gracie comment and say, so them say ungrateful, them ungrateful. Like really? Like really every night we go out, every single night we do a job and we love our job. We love our job. All if we ever staying at the dance until 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock, people will go home all early morning, dirty like boss, because we have to represent said we. We have feelings and we are human being. And your class when I bring we down. For what? For what, Richie? For what? For what? What will ever do you? What will ever do you? Sometimes we can't even wear bad suit, we can't even wear batty rider, two our foot them chop up and dig up our hand, dig up, our back dig up, we dig up and pain up, we have to rub our body and we never ever complain. We never ever complain. We take insult from we take insult from producer, promoter, people. Oh, them dirty dancer, all them do a flick and roll in the dirt and keynote. Whatever. All them do a do this, all them do a dirty up themselves, them roll with dog, them roll in a dirt, them look yucky, them look shitty. People class to ride show. We love our boss. And our work we are doing, our job we are doing. And we never ever complain. We never ever complain and say, hey, me not do this no more, fuck spice, fuck this, whatever. We never ever say that. Never. And Gracie know from the bottom of her heart so we love her. Me not ask you all if you not love we, because you comment a while ago and you say you don't love her soul. You know in your heart. You know in your heart say we love you genuinely. TC did it 4 years, Rebel did it 3 years, and I did it 2 years. And I know the Monday, and in rival, in next friend, it's like it's a movie, like a scene, and everybody just come on them, and everybody attack we. Everybody have something to say about we. Everybody have to say about we will make ourselves relevant on Instagram, Facebook, everything. We make ourselves relevant. We act, we sing, we dance, we do everything for the people them. We make ourselves relevant not only as dancers. So what y'all say? We are so we never ever will have altercation where there and TC call Gracie. I should say she call her and she talk about what she talk about what she attack. Zine, she talk about what she attack. And Spice address it with we. She address it with we. Altercation was between Rebel and TC. And Rebel apologized. She's supposed to apologize to her everything. I'm going to end the live. No. We never do nothing where it's so bad where it couldn't talk. We never do nothing where it was so bad that this is a like this. We never do nothing so bad. We never do nothing so bad where it have to talk on the media so for everybody come. Me I watch and me see everybody underneath the live. I used to chat, I used to do the most, I used to bust up and class way. And we used to class them back. We used to class them back, mighty God, we used to class them back. And me I tell you, we never do nothing bad. We couldn't talk about TC and Rebel have an altercation. Polly, all of we have an altercation. And it never come out from the media. It never come out from the media because we sit down and talk. And if we did malice, we just malice. The people that malice say, you know, where they malice from. Look what this, we was a team. Look what come out. Richie, you play a song. You don't dance. You're not a dancer. You never flick a day in your life. And you come on social media as a female. Or you do it. Why you do it, bad man? Oh, you do it. You never flick a day in your life. You never split a day. You don't know what it feels for split. You never. So, oh, you do it. Oh, you do it. Why you come on the internet to bring we down? If you want to adjust a situation, you adjust a situation. Why you come on it to bring we down? Why you do that? Whoever do you so rich feelings? Whoever said to you? You see where you come and you laugh up with where you talk with we. I'm going to end the live right now. I'm going to have nothing more to say. But that everybody have a good night. And me never ever, one time alone, me ever come out on the media like this, and this is the second time. I go down for me and pray because me not do it again. And if me never see TC and Rebel go live, I won't go live. Because I can't bother with it and I don't like it. And someone who comments, it's harsh. And we have feelings. But are the truth. Are the truth. If everybody attack them side, might as well we do it. And it's just the truth. It's just the truth.